guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with a review on an electric heater. This heater is available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the video description. And it may not be cold yet where you are, but if you have a home office or an area in your home that's kind of chilly and you like a little extra heat, sometimes people bring these to work. They put them under their desk and things. So we're going to check it out. Okay. So it's packaged well. Okay. And it has a nice design. So this fan, this heater, has a portable clasp design. It has a carrying handle so you can easily carry it from room to room. And there's your carrying handle right there. So you can easily carry that. Has easy one-key smart touch to power it on. Has an easy one-key smart touch to power it on. So there's your power button, and here's your oscillating button for the swing feature. Has a 45-degree auto oscillating for larger area coverage. That option is going to give you better heat distribution in multiple directions and ensure cozy warmth. Has tip-over protection for peace of mind around pets, kids, or anyone. It's going to shut off if it's tipped over. So that's, a very essential feature. Is 600 watts of power. Let's plug it in and see how it works here. So it has the attached power cord. It's attached. It's not an adapter. Okay, so the attached power cord has a good length. Now you have an on-off here, which I imagine is for the unit, and then probably you can touch the smart touch, but you have to turn it on and back. I just want to see, yeah. Oh no. Then what is this switch? Okay, that's the off, okay. Yes, I had it in the wrong one. So if you don't turn the back on, the smart touch button won't work. You have to first turn it on here, and then the smart touch will work, and this is the oscillating button. So that will swing the heater, and right away it's warm, air circulating. And there's also, it looks like to be a filter right here in the back, which, see, when I tip it over, it turns off automatically. But we have this where we have a filter, and we have to turn it back on. And then put the swing feature on. There's a nice blue ring in the front, like I showed you, but it works well. And there's a nice output. Now I don't see a high or a low, so it's just, looks to be just one speed, but it's very nice. And if you're looking for something, like I said, for a little corner room that's cold that you might work in, your home office or your office at work, cubicle, whatever that's a little chilly, this is a good option. I'll put a link in the product description. See, as soon as I pick it up, it stops as well, which is a nice safety feature, but it's an electric heater. Again, that's how it looks. And if you have any other questions, just let me know about it, and I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks so much for watching.